everybody, today I make a time machine, but today I filled it with Skittles, so let's try it out. I don't know if it works because it's not a ball shape. Wow. Oh. Hello everybody, today I make a gumball machine, but last time I made Skittles, I failed.
Why is that?
Because it's not ball shape.
Okay, it's not ball shape.
And now we're going to try the chocolate balls. Let's try. I don't know if it works.
Keep turning. Oh!
That's Skittles! Hello everybody. Today I make a gumball machine. Last time I failed with Skittles. And then when I turned the wheel again, there was a little bit of two Skittles behind it. And then, so this time I don't know if it works.
Wait, wait. Woo! Yay! Turn. What was it? Yay!
And who will eat it?
I'm the one. Can I have one? Thank you. Thank you.
Daddy?